This video will change your life. Give me 10 minutes of your entire day and let me change your life forever. You want to become a billionaire in your 20s, but you don't know how to become a one. You know, a survey shows that over 80% of the people don't even know how to make more money from the money they actually have. So, hey, let me hold your hand and take you on this beautiful and amazing journey where I will share some tips with you. This journey will also be more adventurous as I'm going to apply these tricks on myself, and I'm doing a 100 days challenge where I am going to post daily for 100 days, and let's see what happens then. So, till then, enjoy the video. Let's take a story for example. So there are two friends, Lena and Lola. They both work 9 to 5 and they both wanna start saving money to buy a car. So Lena starts a saving account where she puts money and she does two shifts in a day and she works extra on the weekends. Whereas Lona, on the other hand, do smart work as she put money on the stock market and she did not cut over her expenses. Yes, she did saves some money, but yet she have time for herself as well. You know, a billionaire has at least seven source of income. Seven source, and they don't mainly focus on the source of income. They focus that okay, whatever money they have, let's just multiply that. All right, so you don't have to just stuck on one thing. All right, suppose you're earning good from a job and now you want to make more money. I'll recommend making a website over something you already know. Like for example, I know Hindi, or I know how to dance good, or I know how to sing very well. So I'll make a website of tutoring it to the people. Either make it a tutoring session, make it a fun interactive way, or make a simple website. Not on If you think that this is complicated for you, there is so much easier option. You can design posters on Canva and post it on your social media and on your Pinterest, and you can earn from that too. You know, a seven source of income is such a big thing to achieve, but once you get it all, there's no going back. All right, so just start learning new skills and start applying your new skills into your daily life, and see what happens next. So these are the things that mainly are roughly. So let's get back to the topic, Lena and Lola. So here, Lena, and what do you think that who is going to save more money, or who is going to get their car soon? Lola. If you think Lena, no. Why? Because in savings account, your money does not grow. It stays, or it reduces its value. Alright. But in stock market, it rises. I know it is a bit risky, but you just need to study it well. Alright. There is nothing impossible, so stop saying that oh my god, I cannot do this, oh my god, no. Nothing is impossible and you can achieve it once you started dreaming of it. So don't stop dreaming is the first step of achieving something. I am making this video, I know this video will not reach as many views or as many audience as I want, but I'm still trying. I'm not giving up. I have taken this challenge of 100 days 100 videos, and I am doing everything I can do, and I am willing to do it. And yes, so don't stop dreaming, first thing first, and second, do practice your skills. If you have any skills that is very good, shine it up, and if you don't have it, then have a skill. Start making that skills. Why are you wasting your time? On YouTube, social media is a vast thing. All right, it's a ocean filled with so many things that you just we only know a drop of it. It is so vast. So implementation is the only thing. All right, imply these steps into your daily life. All right, only for 1 hour, grab your phone, grab your computer, and start making a website, or start designing it, or start a YouTube channel. It will take time. All right, first it will take time, but slowly and steadily it will grow, and one day it will surely grow. We all know that. So just don't stop and start working on yourself, and I am truly truly believing you. So till then, please watch my video, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, bye.